Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and here's a quick grilling tip for not getting your hands dirty when you're putting your charcoal on. So just use a set of tongs like these and put your charcoal in a bucket. Also keeping your charcoal in a bucket if you have spider problems. You know, cardboard and charcoal sacks, they can attract spiders like brown recluses. So what you can do is just use a bucket like this, and if you make a mistake like I did and drop a piece of coal, just pick it up with the tongs, man. Grab it with the tongs. Look at that. So see, now I've neatly positioned this so that I can use my electric charcoal lighter. No lighter fluid required. I don't have lighter fluid, and this is an instant light charcoal, and it's just regular charcoal, and then I've got the electric thing to light it. So very clean from the perspective of not having any lighter fluid involved, but also very clean. See, my hands aren't dirty. Look at that. My hands are clean, man, because I use the tongs. I use the tongs to grab the charcoal briquettes. And you can find the tongs like I use, and then also the bucket like I use. Expand this video's description, and then click the link there to find where to order it online. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and check out all of Chef IrixGuy's grilling and barbecue smoking videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.